the new VOTARY Glow Kit with a 5-step routine for doing a really fabulous at-home glow-giving facial. And I thought I would open it up and show you what's inside and give you a few little tips and tricks for how to use your products. When you open the box, you will find a leaflet. This has all sorts of little tips and tricks. It tells you what's in the products and how to use them. It also gives you the order in which to use your products, steps 1 to 5. But I'm also going to talk you through that now. You've got the Rose Geranium and Apricot Cleansing Oil, Brightening Hyaluronic Serum, Glow Drops Neroli Facial Oil, Tinted Lip Gloss, and a sample sachet of the Intense Overnight Mask. Oh, and of course, underneath it all, a proper VOTARY face cloth. So the 5-step routine goes like this. First step, take your Rose Geranium cleansing oil. So you can do this routine morning and evening with a few little tweaks here and there to make it AM or PM. So you can use this morning or evening. In the evening, it makes a fantastic makeup remover. So I'd use maybe 4 or 5 pumps if you're removing makeup or SPF. In the morning, you might only need 2 pumps of the cleansing oil for a quick cleanse. The face cloth, which comes inside the box, is a really big, proper full-size face cloth. Wring that out in hot or warm water. You massage the oil into your skin first, then you go into your eyes, and then you hold this up to your face for a really good steam, and then you wipe away any makeup or SPF, or if it's in the morning, hopefully all the dead skin cells that have accumulated overnight. After that, you will use your serum, which is the Brightening Hyaluronic Serum. I love this serum so much. It is really our glow-giving serum. It has narcissus extract in it, which really helps brighten the skin. It's in a base of Neroli flower water, so it smells beautifully fragrant, very refreshing on the skin, particularly in the summer. And it also has hyaluronic acid in there too, so that really helps hydrate the skin and plump it up. It really makes your skin look as glowing and as gorgeous as it possibly can. Step 3, Glow Drops Neroli Facial Oil. You're going to give your skin the nourishment it needs and the hydration it needs, so simply massage a few drops of that into your skin after applying your serum. It's a brilliant rebalancing oil, so if you feel like you're a little bit oily in places or dry in others, it really helps rebalance the skin. It doesn't overload the oily patches, it still hydrates the dry patches. And again, scented with neroli, so it smells beautifully summery and it's just a gorgeous, gorgeous thing. Step 4, and this would really be for AM for obvious reasons, is your tinted lip gloss. And you can use this throughout the day. I'll show you what it looks like now. There you go. That is the tinted lip gloss. So it gives a really delicate blush to the lips. You don't really feel like you're wearing makeup, but it just feels like your lips have sort of pulled together a little bit. They look like they're full of life. And it's made with 12 natural plant oils with a vegan pigment, and it gives a gloss but with no stickiness. So you don't need to worry about that. Just lots of hydration for your lips. And then step 5 is your little sample sachet of the overnight mask. So you would use that in the evening, obviously, and you'd apply that after your glow drops. Pop a layer all over your skin, and then when you wake up in the morning, your skin will be rejuvenated and radiant. That is your VOTARY Glow Kit 5-step routine. I hope you love it and have fun getting your glow.